Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F05 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and now we have to scroll down to find wallpaper and style. Now let's tap on change wallpapers, and here we've got pre-installed options from which we can choose some featured ones, graphical options. Here we've got our own gallery which we can use, of course, and use our own photos, wallpaper services, and get more wallpapers. So let me choose something from those options, and all you have to do is to tap on the specific wallpaper. You can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. So let's tap on next after choosing the specific option. And this is how it will look like on the full screen. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.